Today we will discuss about isentropic efficiency of compressor and the isentropic efficiency of the turbine. Isentropic efficiency of the compressor is defined as the ideal enthalpy rise to that of actual enthalpy rise, and the isentropic efficiency of the turbine is defined as the ratio of actual enthalpy drop to that of ideal enthalpy drop. If we take the case of ideal enthalpy drop, then in ideal cases we do not consider friction as a part of our process, but if we take actual case, then actual case or in actual life we consider friction as the part of our life or the cycle. Then ideal enthalpy rise will from 1 to 2. If we take ideal case, then the entropy of the system will remain constant during the process, but if we take actual case, then the entropy of the system will increase. Here you can see 1 to 2 is isentropic process, so the entropy of the system will remain constant. But if we take actual case, that in actual case friction will part of cycle, then the entropy of the system will increase. Then this will graph goes through 1 to 2 days. So we can write ideal enthalpy rise to that of actual enthalpy rise. Here I draw TH diagram for Bell-Coleman cycle, or we can say reverse Britten cycle. 1 to 2 is our compressor and through 4 is turbine. In ideal case, enthalpy will increase from 1 to 2, but in actual enthalpy rise will 1 to 2 days. So we can write H2 minus H1, H2 dash minus H1. If we want to write for the turbine, then actual enthalpy drop will 3 to 4 days because the cycle will anti-clockwise. So this entropy will rise and here entropy will drop. So we can write actual enthalpy drop will 3 to 4 days. So we can write H3 minus H4 dash to that of H3 minus H4. So these are the formulas for the isentropic efficiency for the compressor and the turbine. We can directly write these formula by the sense of mind. How we can write? We take example, suppose ideal work for the compressor is equal to actual work. Work for compressor. But this is not true. So how we can write? If we take compressor, then in case of compressor, we supplied work to the compressor. So if we supply work to the compressor, then we have to supply more work than the requirement to the compressor. So the actual work, then we are supposing we have to supply this amount of work, that is equal to ideal work, but in actual we will supply more work to the compressor than the actual work. We can write efficiency of the compressor. Then we know very well the formula, or we get efficiency in terms of points, that is 0.8, 0.9. Then actual work will more than ideal work. If we want to write heat supply, or we can write ideal heat supply is equal to actual heat supplied, because in real condition the losses in the combustion chamber takes place, because it depends upon the calorific value of fuel, or 100% combustion of the fuel does not take place in the combustion chamber. So we write in terms of enthalpy, or in terms of efficiency we can write actual heat supplied. We are supposing initial condition that actual heat supplied is equal to ideal heat supplied. But in real condition, the combustion 100% combustion of the fuel does not takes place, and it depend upon the calorific value of the fuel. So ideal heat supplied, initially we are supposing it will equal to ideal heat supplied will equal to actual heat supplied, but in real condition we have to supply more heat than as compared to ideal heat supplied. So we can write in term of efficiency, because the term efficiency will equal to 0.9 or 8, then actual heat supplied will more than ideal heat supplied. So we can directly write by the sense of mind. Then in case of compressor, we are supposing that we have to supply less work, but in actual condition frictions takes place. So to overcome this friction we have to supply more work. So ideal work will not equal to actual work, but actual work will more than ideal work, because we get efficiency in term of points. So actual work will more than ideal work. Like that we can write efficiency. So this is about isentropic efficiency of the compressor and the isentropic efficiency of the turbine. Thank you.